Hi guys, how are you doing here? So if you want to know how to make money with a SaaS product, then this video is for you. So first, if you're watching this for the first time, subscribe to my channel, don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So in this video I want to show you how to make money with SaaS products. So firstly, what is the meaning of a SaaS product? What is a SaaS product? A software as a service, which means software as a service is a cloud-based service which, instead of downloading a software to desktop or business network to run, instead of downloading a software to your system. So let's after that, instead of you downloading, let's use Microsoft Word as an example. So you can download Microsoft Word in your on your computer and run it there. Okay, so instead of doing this, let's take Google Doc, like the Google document as an example. Google document, you can just go to doc.google.com and it will show you like same thing as Microsoft Word. Okay, I've seen same interface like Microsoft, which means you can able to use it online. You can classify that one also as a SaaS product. Okay, let us take another person as well. Okay, maybe a place where people can download YouTube video is also a SaaS product because it's available for anyone. Okay, like everyone can use it and it's like so accessible. So what are the things you need to get started? So first thing, the SaaS products, like the what thing you're going to use, the hosting and domain, and then the installation. Okay, and the installation and how you're going to install it. So make sure you watch this video first, step by step tutorials to get how you can install this thing. Okay, they have instruction which we have to follow. So in this video I'm going to show you all those steps and follow them. So first thing, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing we need to do is to get our SaaS products. So in case of the SaaS products, I just come for this wonderful software. It's called All-in-One Video Downloader. It's called All-in-One Video Downloader. As you can see here, let us preview the items, which means people can download their YouTube videos, their videos, something from here. So as you can see here, right here, over like 50, for 40 websites. So TikTok, Tumblr, anything people can download from any source. That is why I love the software. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to purchase. So I've already purchased this software with my paper. So next thing you got just to do, just click on add to cart. So you can just go there, please use the link in the description below to search this. Okay, as token of appreciation. So let us say you want to install and maybe a place where people can shorten their link. So maybe link shortener, link shortener. This is not right. Link shortener. Yeah. So as you can see here, this is what I'm saying. Bio link shortener. This is also a link shortener. Bio link shortener. As you can see, this link shortener is same thing as what can we call this? This website is called Linkify or something like that. So as you can see here, see the preview, see how it look like. So as you can see, so this is a free, as you can see. So since then I just go for this only one, and I've already downloaded, I've already installed and the script. So after download the file and certificate, so the next thing you need is to get a domain name. So I'll just go here, paste my link that I copy from this thing. So I'm just going to search for a domain name. So search for Meta download. Let's use the page search mode. Meta download. Let's go. Oh, is not available. Meta save. Meta saver. Oh. So I don't know what they call this beast mode, but don't show premium. So just going to import this again and maybe try to browse for some name. Domain name generator. Let me just, if I can get to the name generator here, that'd be great. Save ever. Save ever. Save ever. Try that. Save ever. What if I try save ever? Save ever. See. So save ever.com is not available. So I'm trying to search for save here. It's not a save. You see, it's still unavailable. Return. I want to use this MetaWords. Okay, let me try Meta save. Meta save. Saver. Let me try Meta saver. Meta save. Oh my god, this is registered in 1990. Oh, what can I use now? Okay, let me just search for if I can get a domain name YouTube video. No, I'm just right here. Fast saver. What about that? Fast saver. Let's see. Savers. It should be available. Please should download it. Okay, fast downloader. I don't have a choice. What is going on here? belong to the word. So the one with the longest word here. Okay, let me do like this. Just to do research. So the one with the longest word here, and this one, video downloader pro, and they are of something. I don't want this thing to pass less than this 8 words, or maybe 8 words. As you can see, this one is 8 words, this one too is an 8 words. So let's see. See, let's know. It should be available. Save as from. Save as from. Okay, I think save as from is available. So we just need to use the code. So I'm going to add to cats. So then click on checkout. I'm going to add the promo code. So the next thing is I think I'm going to click on confirm order. So I will ask to create an account. So question tools save as from. I'm going to input my password. So my first name, and click on continue. Okay. And you click on continue. So instead of checking out, I'm just going to go here. I'm not checking out yet because I have to add the coupon. Yeah, adding coupon. So boom, $6. Proceed and confirm. So as you can see, I get the coupon. You can also apply it to yours. I'm just going to pay with my paper funds. and continue. Going to paper. I'm going to pay. So if you are watching this video for the first time, subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to on the notification bell because you don't want to miss another episode. So it's good that I didn't complete this video today. I'm going to try to post it tomorrow. Okay. So we have already make our order. So I'm trying to send the DNS to our domain. I can't my dashboard. So here is my domain. So the next thing is to move this domain to my hosting. Okay, is to move this domain to my hosting plan. So let me see. I think there is a way that I'm going to do. I almost do this. So manage DNS. Coming. I think this shouldn't work immediately, just like that. Yeah, from okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is to move this to my hosting plan. So if you don't buy a hosting plan, you can just go in there on after you have input the link given to you before you use. I recommend the cheap hosting. Just click on the link. You get a discount as I get discounts here. Then you want to select on hosting and select a shared hosting. That is what I use. So normally you should select this one, but it's too small because of the space. And also if you select this one, you'll be given a domain name which is I think this can give you a discount of .com. This is what I'm using before. I think I have like 2 type or 3 type of hosting with name. So you can just do this and get started. As you can see, if you want to buy maybe like monthly, as you can see it's $4 per month. If you want to buy yearly, it's $2.6 per month. So you can just pay $1 to get this thing instead of paying this one. Okay. You have saved 40% of this menu. So if you are trying maybe SiteGround or other website, I think the price is quite high, and even they have some kind of limited stuff that you don't want to like. So let me go to my limited panel here. So I'm just going to log in. So this domain is going to expire. So I'm just going to domain list, and I'm going just to remove this. So I think I'll just remove this action. I think I was going to remove this. Manage. So instead I'm just going to transfer it out. So let me just go to the hosting. search for add-ons. What the fuck? Will that be something else? Good. So I think I've removed that one. I just try to add this new one. Saveasfrom.com. So just add public. You don't have to go through this, okay? It's me. I'm just trying to add the domain. Okay, it's going to remote server. So they say I need to point it to DNS1. So that's DNS. What is going on here? Okay, custom DNS. DNS1, DNS2. So it will take like 48 hours to fixed. What the hell? I think I choose a custom domain here. Something is really wrong. So I think this email is just propagating. Just going to go back and try to add it again. I see. So this should be on now. That means I'm just wait tomorrow before this thing propagate finish and then proceed. So as you can see, this is step-by-step tutorials that we are doing together. You have to follow each step thoroughly. So we want, okay, as you can see, yeah, so let's provide the HTTP directory settings first, which is really important. So yes, it's pending. So next thing we need to do now is to the software that I've downloaded already, find it out. So here is the software, and I'm going to just open and extract it to my desktop. We see that here is slash my SAS. I can save it with anything. Okay. So the next thing we're going to do, here's my SAS. Just going to do some documentation. So the documentation. Where should I start with documentation? So I think index. Okay. This is where I want to start. You said as much as this, please more details as possible. Site URL, page period. You don't need to add purchase code. When adding video or image, please use inbuilt media operating system. When you send a file protocol password, we can take for correction. Don't forget to change it. So your time. Okay, please do not treat this ticket. So finally, what you have been waiting for. So the next thing is the system requirements. So as you can see, the system requirements, this must be enabled. If it doesn't enable, then we're not going to do anything. So the second one is creating a database. So I think whenever whenever we install a database, it will give us everything itself, right? So first we are going to, instead of creating a database, we just need to do what? We don't need to create a database or upload a file for WordPress or anything else. We just need to install WordPress. Okay, let me see something here. The first thing, we don't need to do that ourselves. Okay, so next thing I'm going to do now, just let me reload this first. So I think is here, our domain is here. So next thing I'm going to do is click on, go to our cPanel, go to the WordPress Manager. So now we are going to start the installation in full. So I'm going to click on install. Okay, the website you are going to install for, which is the save from. So my blog name, site name, save from, and what should I use for free YouTube video downloader? Now I'm going to replace this with my username and password. Okay, so I'm just going to pause the video here and input everything. So here is it. I'm just going to activate this. I don't want to update it. Okay, I don't know. Let me just choose this one. I'll choose this one. They choose for me, and then click on install. The password must be greater than 80. Let me change the password and proceed. So click on install. So we need to follow everything. Boom. You just install it. So this thing hasn't propagated yet. So just need to continue. It will soon propagate itself because I think we are having some problem in the TTPS which will be fixed soon. So here is our WordPress website. Bam. So welcome to the first stage. Just finish the first stage. The second stage is to proceed on installing the Polylang. As followed by instruction, install Polylang. Plugin, add a new plugin. Polylang. And activates. So it's telling me to set up some things, which is the language. Telling me to go to language and choose English and continue. English, you see the EVGMP. And continue. I'm going to add another language. English, yes. Continue. So the next thing we are going to do now is to install the downloader. So they are saying open WordPress plugin page, and the new button here, and the new button there. Upload a new plugin. So I think at this thing I have to search for plugin here, and desktop. I'm going to locate the plugin. SAS files, the plugin, boom, install. So I was to activate it. So after activation, they say me to install the theme in theme 2. So we're just going to appearance, theme, add the theme, upload the theme, choose the theme, boom, add the theme soon. So the next thing is activate license. Activates. So open the license tab on the plugin settings page. License, plugin, settings. I don't know what this one's talking about. Open license tab. First I need to open this one first. Oh, they want us to paste them. Admin dashboard, video downloader settings, and register your copy. Admin dashboard, video downloader settings. So video downloader settings. So I'm just going for this license. So my name, just going to input my name, boom, registration code. So talking about the purchase code, so I'm just going to pause the videos and code you for the purchase code. You can buy yours from the store. I'm using the single license. So after I said I follow this step and I've activated the software. So the next thing is to install the YouTube plugin. So I'm going to open this. We're talking about the purchase code. So I'm going to pause this video here and input my purchase code. So it says I should extract and upload zip content PHP and vendor folder to WP content. If you don't include downloader. So I think we have something to the E, and I'm just going to cPanel again. So I think we need this, and file manager. That's fine. The next thing is like this web content about LC. Talking about the web contents, plugin, video IO, and then downloader, video IO includes downloader. Boom. So I was told to activate it here. So upload. So reload this, and something should be done here. Here is it. Extract file. So I'm going to reload. I think the YouTube should be somewhere here. Something is missing. This is plugin. Let me upload again. Oh, I think I missed something. The plugin upload. Just going to delete this one and this one. So reload again. Extract. So reload again. Boom. I think we are done. So the next thing is to add the API key. So it's talking about Facebook, Instagram cookies, SoundCloud, Track API, something like tracking code. I may see panel. So you see I can add the Instagram cookies, and all of those cookies. So the next thing is adding a logo. After adding a logo, create a downloader page. Create a name, create a downloader page. So create a downloader page. So I'm to create a new page on the Asbot, so new page. I don't know what is going on here. So create a downloader page. Oh, I think I've already activated a plugin here. Let me just deactivate it. I know it to come up. So deactivate this at the top. So tell me to go to preferences, settings, where is it? Okay. So prevention and panels, then activate a custom fit. Show underscore download underscore form. So it's telling that set value to 1. You can set the value to 0 if you want to hide the download from. Okay, set value to 1. So publish. So I think everything is looking great. And now add a content to your home. So I want to show something here. Visit websites. So here is it. So let's see what it got. Download as so I think all our stuff is now in order. So the next thing is to design it like the first some widgets. So let me just try it here. It's taking me about no media phone because I will link the API. So after linking the API, then I think all will be done. Okay, save. Let's check again. Boom. So I think I need to add something here. I just want to select something up. Okay, I think everything is now appeared. It's done. So the next thing I'm going to do is just to add the privacy and the policy. I'll never activate the plugin. So I'm just going to copy something here. YouTube, mine YouTube video downloader. I think something is wrong here. So I think I need to activate API key before all this thing can get started. So next thing after you have done this, the thing about this that Google like a place, like a free tools where people can do things. So just go for AdSense and apply for AdSense. Apply for AdSense and make money with it. So you can see this is the advertisement area. Put your code in a reliable way and earn money from it. So thank you for watching. If you have any question, you can drop that below. I'm falling asleep with this lights. So thank you for watching. Have a